In this video we are talking about if PayPal continues his bearish move to the downside or if we see a move to higher prices again. As you can see, we are on the monthly chart and we are seeing this bearish move to the downside. From the top to the prices right now we saw a correction about 80%. This is really crazy for a stock like PayPal. And as you can see on the weekly chart, we are also seeing this bearish structure right here. And now it's really important, if we want to see higher prices, that we are coming into a bullish order flow again. And for this we have to break this last supply zone right here to the upside, because this supply zone caused the last lowest low and we had a break of structure right here. So technically this supply zone is strong. So if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside with the daily or weekly body close, this would be the first bullish sign for PayPal. And I would not move into a long position if we not break this supply zone. Because as I said, we are right now in a strong bearish trend. And all people who bought in the downtrend again and again have made very much losses, or the PayPal position is in a big loss. And for traders like me, it's very important that we see a bullish sign, because we don't just buy PayPal because we like PayPal. We want to buy PayPal if there is a bullish sign and if we are seeing something that indicates that the chances high that we see higher prices for PayPal. So as I said, this is the most important, that we are breaking the supply zone to the upside and that we find some acceptance right here, because otherwise I wouldn't buy PayPal. But if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside with a daily or weekly body close, then the chances high that we can continue the bullish order flow to the upside. And then it's also really important that we are breaking this supply zone to the upside, because as you can see, we started this bearish move right from the supply zone and we also saw this break of structure right here. And as we came back into the supply zone, we then saw directly this strong bullish candle. So this supply zone is very important. And the chances also high, if we are breaking out of this smaller supply zone, that we come into this bigger supply zone and that we then see a correction right here. But if we can't break this supply zone to the upside, and if we see a move to even lower prices, and if we are breaking this last low, then the chance is extremely high that we see even lower prices for PayPal. So I would be really careful right now, because as you can see, we see this strong bearish structure and this bearish trend right here. And the trend is often longer than most retailers are thinking. But if anything interesting happens for PayPal, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on PayPal. So all in all, we are seeing this strong bearish structure right here. And as I said, everybody who bought in this dips and also bought blindly because they like PayPal or think they just go up, their position is in loss. And that's why it's really important that we just go into a stock if we also see a sign in the technical analysis. And in this case, we don't have any bullish signs right now because the structure is still bearish. So now it's really important that we are breaking this supply zone to the upside. And if we break this supply zone with the daily or weekly body close, this would be the first bullish sign for PayPal. And if we are breaking out of the supply zone, then we also have to break this supply zone, because we saw 2 times rejection right here and the break of structure. So this supply zone is very important. And if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside, then I think the chances high that we see even higher prices and that we then can turn into a bullish structure again. But as I said, please be careful right now, because if we have a bearish trend, the chance is very high that we see even lower prices, because the trend is always longer than the most retailers are thinking. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.